If you're going to do a card trick, there's no better way to start than by producing the deck magically.
This is what they look like before they're printed. And this is what it looks like after they're printed. Ooh, they're more colorful, isn't it? But they're not done. They still have plenty to do that. They have to make it in the shape of a card box. After they make it in that shape, that's when they put in the deck of cards that I wouldn't kid you. It's the real stuff live.
This is Sudden Deck 3, the best version of all the Sudden Decks I came out with. You start with a blank card box. Without any cover, it prints in full color. Then you fold it into the shape of a box, snap your fingers, and out comes a deck of cards. A real deck of cards. A regulation deck, maybe a stack deck, maybe a mark deck, maybe a gimmick deck. Whatever you put in that Sudden Deck 3 is going to come out at the end.
It looks like after they're printed. Ooh, I know, it's crazy. But they're not done yet. You have to make it into the shape of a card box. Once they make it into that shape, that's when they can put in a deck of cards I wouldn't kid you.
I'm David Regal, and for my money, there's no better way to start a card routine than with Sudden Deck.